Hi all, this is a update, long time coming. My R2 there is, I'd say 95%. And yeah, this video is focusing on the control system that I've got. So I'm using a Turnigy 9X, as you can see there. Sorry about the light. And the sound system I've got there, for those familiar, that's the Curious Marks R2 Touch app, and I've customized a few things in that, and I haven't gone for the other features of control that he's got in there because basically my droid doesn't have any opening panels. But if you do have a droid that's got opening panels, this is the app to use. Lots of great work gone into this. So I'm just going to show you how my R2 moves and show you some customized songs that I've put on here and sound effects. So anyway, so with the Turnigy 9X I've got here, I've got auto dome movement here, so kindly coded by my mate Andrew, and he's since improved it for his own droid, but it works really well for mine. So that means I can just concentrate on the one-handed driving, which helps out when you're videoing like this as well. So to control the driving, it's basically left-hand drive, American Star, and you can see there. Now these are direct drive motors that myself and Andrew sort of put together. The foot shells there are made out of a PVC sheet, foamed PVC. Sort of made them up just by looking, no measurement at all. There's some 3D printed parts on there just for details, and everything else you would have seen in the previous video. The lights and all that sort of biz. So yeah, I'll just show you a couple of the sounds that I've got, some songs. So on the screen here, you see I've got the usual ones like Mana Mana, Cantina song. I've got a couple others though that I've put on, especially one today. This one's Living on a Prayer, the R2D. This is from a meme actually, but I like the sound so I put it in. Let's see if I can touch it properly. There we go. There we go, I like that one. And what else we got? Staying Alive, normal one. This one's a dub Imperial Death March. If I can touch the thing right in the middle. There we go. Give my driving, it's better when I've got two hands. Another one. This one's a nice emotional one here. And what else we got here? Another R2 dub one. My kids really love that. They go absolutely mental for that one. And yeah, R2 remix. I might have heard this one. There we go. And one more, if I can get it to focus, is a piano one. If I can click, there we go. This one's sort of like an emotional one. See somebody dressed as Luke Skywalker or something, you might hear this one being played. Try not to run into the carpet. Piano in the background. And there we go. Alright, so that's where I'm up to. Build's not complete yet. Still got to work on those, the front foot, or front ankle I should say. Got to get the hoses and metal details on the front. And on the back of the dome, I still don't have the lights. So I'll turn that around there, so I still don't have the rear logics and the rear PSI, and yeah, I've just taken out the HBs for the moment. Alright, until next time, bye.